Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The effect of customers defaulting on bank loans has been noted by international agencies which track banks' ability to collect from clients to service their own debts. Credit rating agency Fitch has placed the NCB Financial Group and the National Commercial Bank Jamaica on a rating watch negative, which means that it could downgrade the credit rating in the next few months due to the negative impact of Hurricane Melissa on the economy. This is because the devastation caused by Melissa will lead to an increase in insurance payouts by its general insurance subsidiary Guardian Holdings and an increase in the bank's non-performing loans, which now stands at just under 5%. The NCB Financial Group's long-term debt is rated B+, while the National Commercial Bank is rated BB-. This is although the group generated consolidated net profits of $36 billion during the year which ended September 13, a month before the hurricane. For the financial quarter prior to Hurricane Melissa, the companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange continue to show a diverse range of outcomes. The Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica Limited, which trades as Purity, unaudited financials for the 9 months ended September 30, 2025 reports 9 months net profit of $15.52 million. Barita Investments Limited, unaudited financials for the year ended September 30, 2025 reports 21% decline in year-end net profit. Caribbean Producers Jamaica Limited, unaudited financials for the 9 months ending September 30, 2025 reports a 26% decrease in 9-month net profit attributable to shareholders. Deramon Trading Limited, unaudited financials for the 9 months ending September 30, 2025 reports a 36% increase in net profit attributable to shareholders. For the trading period, these were the most actively traded stocks. Innovative Energy Group Limited with 70,200,000 units representing 72.86% of market sales volume. Supreme Ventures Limited with 5,617,017 units representing 5.83% of market sales volume. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 4,496,797 units representing 4.67% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. The Bank of Jamaica reported US $74.85 million purchased and US $61.91 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.01 per dollar, selling the US at $159.64 and buying the US at $160.65. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.14 per transaction, with selling at $114.95 and buying at $113.81. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.33 in profits, with selling at $209.42 and buying at $210.75. For our credit report tip of the day, after a major life crisis, asking for breathing room from your bank can feel intimidating, but your credit report gives you leverage. By showing your payment history, current liabilities, and responsible financial actions, you create a transparent, trust-based conversation that positions you for relief. Reviewing your credit report line by line reveals opportunities to pause payments, restructure debt, and demonstrate your commitment to bouncing back. 6 months of breathing room isn't a gift. It's a strategic move, and your credit report is the roadmap to get there. In our funded and focused spotlight, a profit clarity session gives founders a clear view of their business finances, uncovering hidden costs, cash flow leaks, and missed opportunities. While it can trigger strong emotional resistance, confronting these realities creates clarity, confidence, and focus. By analyzing recent income and expenses and delivering a simplified profit roadmap, founders gain actionable insights that drive growth, reduce financial stress, and position their business for funding and long-term profitability. It's not just about numbers, it's about taking control, making bold decisions, and turning clarity into results. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.